Generative AI is a powerful new technology that is transforming the way we create and interact with digital content. It can create new content autonomously without human intervention. This content can be text, images, or even code, making it incredibly versatile. It learns from existing data, analyzing patterns and trends. Then it uses this knowledge to generate something entirely new and innovative. This makes it a game changer for businesses across various industries. Imagine asking an AI to write a blog post or create a marketing campaign. You give it a topic and some keywords, and it does the rest. The AI then generates a complete original post tailored to your specifications. This is just one example of generative AI in action, showcasing its potential. Its potential applications are vast and varied, spanning multiple sectors. Generative AI is more than just a novelty. It is a revolutionary tool. It is quickly becoming essential for businesses looking to innovate and stay ahead. Companies that adopt this technology will have a significant competitive edge. Those that don't risk falling behind in an increasingly digital world. Marketing is one area where generative AI is making a big impact. It can automate tasks like writing ad copy and creating social media posts. This frees up marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. Generative AI can also personalize marketing messages at scale. It can analyze customer data to create targeted campaigns. This leads to higher engagement and conversion rates. Imagine sending out thousands of personalized emails. Each email speaks directly to the recipient's interests. Generative AI makes this possible. Many companies are already using generative AI to improve their marketing. For example, Stitch Fix uses it to personalize clothing recommendations. This leads to a better customer experience and increased sales. Another example is Netflix. They use generative AI to create trailers for their shows. The AI analyzes each show and generates a trailer that is most likely to appeal to viewers. These are just a few examples of how generative AI is being used in the real world. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. And Section 4, the allure of generative AI, unveiling the benefits. The benefits of generative AI for business and marketing are numerous. It can increase efficiency, improve ROI, and drive innovation. By automating tasks, businesses can free up time and resources. Generative AI can also help businesses create more engaging and effective content. This is essential in today's crowded digital landscape. By personalizing experiences, businesses can build stronger relationships with their customers. Generative AI is not just about cutting costs. It's about creating new possibilities and achieving better outcomes. Section 5, navigating the challenges of generative AI integration. While generative AI offers many benefits, there are also challenges to consider. These challenges can impact the effectiveness and reliability of AI systems in various business applications. One significant challenge is ensuring the accuracy and quality of AI-generated content. This is crucial for maintaining trust and reliability in AI outputs. It's important to have humans in the loop to review and refine the output. Human oversight helps in catching errors and making necessary adjustments. Another challenge is the potential for bias. Bias in AI can lead to unfair outcomes and can undermine the credibility of AI systems. AI models are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI output will be biased as well. This can perpetuate existing inequalities and create new ones. Businesses need to be aware of this and take steps to mitigate bias in their AI systems. Regular audits and bias detection tools can help in this regard. Addressing ethical concerns is also crucial. Ethical AI practices ensure that the technology is used for the benefit of all and does not cause harm. As with any powerful technology, generative AI must be used responsibly and ethically. This involves setting clear guidelines and continuously monitoring AI systems to ensure they adhere to ethical standards. Section 6, the road ahead, future trends and the transformative power of generative AI. The future of generative AI is bright, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for innovation. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will transform various industries. One trend is the development of more sophisticated and specialized AI models tailored to meet specific needs and challenges. We can also expect to see greater integration of generative AI with other technologies, creating seamless and efficient systems. For example, the combination of AI and virtual reality could create immersive and personalized experiences, enhancing both work and leisure activities. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live, making tasks more efficient and opening up new possibilities. By embracing this technology responsibly, we can unlock its full potential and create a better future, ensuring that advancements benefit everyone.